So I'm starting out with the headlight cover for the Firebird. Had this big spot of missing paint. I'm going to go ahead and just strip it down completely and get it repainted and get put on the car. Alright, so I've already taken the headlight cover off over here. Still got to wet sand it and polish it, but it's repainted, no more missing paint. On this side, however, it has the typical pop-up headlight problems. So when you pop it up or down, it grinds. So the gear inside the motor is bad. So I've ordered a new motor. I'm going to pull the cover off here, take the 3 bolts there out, and then the 1 bolt on the shaft, and replace the motor. Alright, let's put it back together. New motor's on. Let's see if she works. Yay! Okay, so after diagnosing the car a little bit, gone over and I could hear a vacuum leak and part of the PCV valving, the tubing. This was completely broken on the small end and the one that mounts right here. I went ahead and ordered a new part, but I took this one off, plastic welded it, and had the lights all on the car, and the battery's dead. Okay, now that I've got the vacuum lines figured out, I'm going to go ahead and take off the idler pulley and the serpentine belt, swap these out, and then we're going to be tackling all of the plugs, wires, and coils. Now, this little 3400 is so easy to work on. Basically, for this idler pulley, I've got my bar here. We're going to pull it straight down. Reach up, take the belt off, and we're ready to go. Okay, so we got the belt and pulley on. Go ahead and fire it up, see what it sounds like. Nice and quiet. Give it a little gas. Awesome. All right.